Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Albanson and Janisa, I am Junaida Escusain, and we will be discussing all about Chapter 17 entitled Plumbing Installation and Materials. But I am just discussing some part of Chapter 17, which is the 17-1, 17-2, and 17-3. So, let's start about the 17-1, which is the introduction. So, although the different parts of the plumbing system and their functions are correlation with each other were already defined and explained, yet it would not be more meaningful and appreciated unless seen and put together into a one working unit system. So, in this chapter, various plumbing layouts will be presented for the readers to see how different parts were combined and installed together as a working unit. So, likewise, the material used were itemized to serve as a visual aid to the plumbing designer in the preparation of the materials for costing. Cost estimate is a determining the factor of any study where final decision are based. So the plan of any piping installation would not be considered complete unless accompanied with a listing of a material to be used. So as mentioned earlier, there are as many plumbing design and layout as many designers working on this field. So but up to this point in this time, there is no specific rules of ever formulated or which may be formulated fixing a definite line of routing or rerouting of pipes to serve plumbing fixtures for a particular design or arrangement. Thus, any piping layout combination or arrangement will do beyond question and provided that the physical law of nature relative to the plumbing system and the provisions of the plumbing code is not violated. Plumbing installation involves setting up the pipes, fixtures, fittings required to supply water and remove waste from a building. So it includes installing the water supply lines, drainage system, and fixtures such as sinks, toilets, shower, and bathtubs. So plumbing materials vary depending on the factor like local building codes, personal preference, and the specific needs of the installation. So the common plumbing materials include pipes, fittings, fixture, fasteners and supports, sealant and adhesives, and various tools. So proper installation and use of quality materials are crucial to ensure the functionality, efficiency, and longevity of a plumbing system. So now let's talk about the 17-2, which is the single unit toilet and bath. So speaking of a single unit toilet and bath, it's cannot a small and simply well arranged comfort room equipped with one water closet and a lavatory with shower and service faucet, or sometimes with a small bathtub. So there is the illustration 17-1. So in presented in figure 17-1, it is a plumbing installation of a single unit comfort room with general floor dimensions of 120 centimeters wide by 200 centimeters long. So prepare the bill of materials required using the plastic pipes and fittings for both DWV and a water supply system. So there is the solution or the materials that we need. So in A, materials for house drain. So we need one pieces of 75 mm, 3 meters long, sweep elbow for clean out. Second, one 75 mm clean out cover. Third is the 175 mm by 50 mm reducer T for lavatory waste. And 175 mm by 50 mm T for bent pipe connection, 275 mm Y to receive WC and P-trap, 175 mm P-trap floor drain, and 100 mm floor drain stainer, or 175 mm long sweep elbow to receive W waste, and 175 mm by 3 meters PVC pipe. So there is the background is the picture of which I binanggit kanina. So second is the B, materials for waste and vent pipe. So in materials for waste and vent pipe, there are only three. So two 50 mm by 50 mm T, 150 mm V-band elbow, 250 mm by 3 meters PVC pipe. So also sa background nyo makikita kung ano yung mga pinagsasabi kong materials. So let's proceed to the C, which is the materials for water supply. So we need 2 pieces of 2 mm by 3 meters PVC pipe, one 12 mm plain T, 1 mm plain elbow, 3 12 mm elbow with 1 end threaded for WC supply and shower, 1 12 mm T cross slide with thread for faucet, 1 12 mm shower valve control, 1 12 mm shower bead or head, and 2 roll of Teflon tape, and also 1/2 pint solvent cement. So in D, which is the fixtures and accessories, we need one set water closet with fittings and accessories, set control valve with flexible supply hub, and one set of lavatory with P-drop, hanger, and faucet, and also one set of control valve and flexible supply hose, 2 pieces of soap holder, 2 pieces of face towel bar, 1 pieces of towel bar, and one small medicine cabinet with a mirror. So in installing plumbing for a single unit toilet and bath, it involves several steps, including the installation of water supplies, uh, drainage pipes, and the fixtures. So the first thing that we need to consider is the plan, the layout. So determining the location of the toilet, sink, and shower or bathtub. Kasi it is also important to plan the layout to ensure the proper spacing and accessibility. Second is the install water supply lines. So shut off the main water supply. Also install shut off bulbs on existing water lines if not already presented. So connect the water lines to the appropriate fixtures using compression fittings or soldering, depending on the type of pipes to be used. Thing that we need to consider is the installation of drainage pipes. So plan the drainage layout to ensure proper slope for drainage pipes. So also install drain pipes for the toilet, sink, shower, and bathtub. So connect the drain pipes to the main sewer line or septic system using appropriate fittings, and test the drainage system for leaks and proper flow. Fourth is the install fixtures. Install the toilet by the securing to the floor and connecting to the water supply line and the drainage pipe. So also install the sink by connecting the water supply lines and drainage pipe. So install the shower or bathtub by connecting the water supply lines and the drainage pipes. Install any necessary shower valves or bathtub faucet. So fifth is the test the system. So turn on the water supply and test all fixtures for leaks and proper operation. Check for the proper drainage by flushing the toilet and running the water in the sink and shower or bathtub. House shower is determined by measuring the distance from the house drain terminal point to the main sewer or to the septic tank. So the house shower is typically determined by its location within the main area of the house. So its frequency of use by household members and guests, and its accessibility from common living spaces such as bedrooms and living rooms. Additionally, factors such as plumbing layout, floor plans, and observation of usage patterns can also help identify the house shower. So an accurate estimate of materials is based on a carefully prepared plan and isometric drawing. So any attempt to make or present a bill of materials for plumbing installation without this fundamental requirement should not be entertained. So plumbing work should nor be entrusted to non-experienced plumbing technician. So to provide an accurate estimate of materials for plumbing installation in a single unit and bath, in a single unit toilet and bath, it would need more specific information such as the size of the space, the fixtures being installed, for example, toilet, sink, and shower, the type of materials used to the type of materials you plan to use, except for the PVC pipes, etc., and any additional fixtures or accessories. So now let's proceed to the 17-3, which is the single unit toilet and bathtub. So there is the illustration 17.3. So in presented in the figure 17.2, there is a plumbing installation for a single toilet with bathtub using the plastic pipe, and prepare the bill of materials. So there is the solution. A, materials for house drain. So we need a 1 pieces of 75 mm um, and 1/8 by a bend elbow with clean out cover, 275 by 50 mm T for lavatory waste and vent stock, 275 mm by 25 mm T for floor drain and water closer, 175 mm by 1/8 bend long sweep elbow for WC, 175 mm P drop, 175 mm by 50 mm Y to receive the drum drop, 175 mm by 75 mm T for connect soil truck, and also 275 mm by 3 meters PVC pipe. So second is the B, which is the materials for waste pipe and ventilation. So we also need the 250 by 50 mm by 3 meters PVC pipes, 130 mm by 50 mm T to receive lavatory waste, 250 mm by 1/4 bend elbow, 175 mm by 50 mm cross T, or 2 pieces of 75 mm by 50 mm T. 25 mm by 3 meters P pipe vent stack, 1 pint solvent cement. So in the background, that can you see, yan na yung mga gamit or materials na binabanggit ko. So next is the C, which is the materials for water supply. So we need the two 12 mm by 3 meters PVC pipe, 3 12 mm plain T, 4 12 mm 1/4 bend elbow, 1 wide with thread for lavatory, faucet, and water closet supply. So also 1 12 mm plain elbow, 1/4 bend, 12 mm T with thread for shower and faucet, one also, 2 rolls of Teflon tape, and also 1 pint solvent cement. The last but not the least is the D, which is the fixtures and other accessories. So we need a 1 set of water closet with accessories and fittings, also 1 set of 12 mm control valve and flexible hose supply, also 1 set of lavatory with P-drop and accessories, also 1 set of 12 mm control valve and flexible hose supply, 1 12 mm of water faucet, 1 set of bathtub with complete accessories, also 1 10 mm drum drop, 2 soap holder, 1 paper holder, 2 towel bar, 2 also for the face towel bar, and also 1 for grab bar for a bathtub. So that's all.